Hello everybody, this is Michael Tyler with another free Vectric project of the month. This month's project is called the fish dish. And as you can see, I've got a few apples in there. You can use it for whatever you like. Maybe you could use it as a bath accessory to have washcloths, or maybe some small hand towels or toiletries, or whatever you'd like. As you can see, it's a very simple project. It's compatible with both the Vcarve software products and the Aspire software. And it consists of just two layers. We've got this top layer that has the design of the fish on it, and then the center area, that recess, is just a pocketed area that glues onto the base. So it's a really quick and easy, fun project to do over a weekend, or whenever you get a chance to get in the shop. As usual, the project includes the illustrated PDF instructions you can print out. And of course, you can watch the rest of this video where I go through step by step the process that I use to create this. Again, it's a very simple project. So basically you cut it out on the machine. I've included 3 project files. One that's on a 30-inch long board. And then for machines that don't quite have that kind of capacity, I've got it split into 2 parts. I got the fish and the base as separate parts, so it should fit on just about any hobby machine that's out there. If you do want to have a go at making one of these yourself, you can download all the files from your V&Co account. If you make your own version, please feel free to share that on the Vectric forum and across social media. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up at the end. And finally, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe for instant updates on new project videos we release. So enjoy the rest of the video. Happy carving! Okay, I've pre-sanded these 2 pieces and I've stacked them together, and I've carefully lined them up so I've got the inside and outside even with each other. And I've also gone ahead and made some pencil marks on the inside here just to help me line that up when I apply the glue and then apply the weight down to let that set until it dries. Okay guys, we got the fish all glued up. I just have a few minor sanding details to take care of before I apply a finish. And I'm just taking inventory of what finishes I've got here laying around. I've got the Minwax Wipe On Poly, great finish, salad bowl finish, seal coat, which is just 100% de-waxed shellac, that's all seal coat is, and the Krylon clears. If I do the Krylon clear, you've seen me do it before. I'll mix 50-50 seal coat with denatured alcohol and apply 1 or 2 coats of that to absorb into the wood before applying the spray. That way it makes better use of the spray, and this tends to seal that grain. This is made out of beech, so I decided just to go ahead and leave it natural. I'm leaning a little bit more towards the salad bowl finish though, even though it takes a little bit longer to dry and build up a little bit. It's a great finish if you anticipate having to wipe this off with a damp rag or something like that. And since I plan to use this primarily for, sort of a fruit bowl, with apples, oranges, pears, whatever, this salad bowl finish would make a great finish for that. So haven't made up my mind yet. I'll talk to my wife about it, but I hope you guys enjoy making this project. I sure enjoyed making it for you. So for now, this is Michael Tyler signing off until next month when I'll bring you another free Vectric project of the month. Happy carving!